Just remember, later on, as excited as you may be before the
Morning guys, so it's 12:30 a.m. In Kuching, and I'm here to check out the Kuching Marathon that is sponsored by Isuzu. Isuzu Malaysia is the main sponsor of this year's Kuching Marathon, and they invited us here to come and have a look at this place. Bing is here too, though I can't quite see where she is. It's 12:30 and they will be flagging off the 42-kilometer runners at 1 a.m. Oh, really early, man. So guys, here you can see these are the 42-kilometer runners getting ready for their flag off time. Really admire those of you guys who can do the 42-kilometer run, man. Truly admire your spirit and your stamina. I myself, well, I've run marathons before, but I have only ever done up to 10 kilometers. Not even sure I can bring myself to do 21 kilometers. 42 is just, to me lah, from my level of fitness, I see it's just extraordinary kind of effort and athleticism. And there, just ahead, is the starting line. So this is the front of the starting line. I think that is the sensor to start reading the time of the reader. So every reader will have a transponder embedded within them. Okay, they have a little transponder in there, which the moment they run across this sensor, the system will detect that they have crossed the starting line and begin recording their timing. So guys, this is something interesting for those of you who are not regular marathon runners. These guys here are what we call the pace setters, and so they have these balloons which these guys, they run and mark their pace. So when you follow these guys, you know that okay, you are targeting to finish your run in 7 hours or 6 hours or 5.5 or 4 hours, right? So very interesting. So there you have it, guys. You can see the pace setters have already lined themselves in front of the runners, and the people in the pink shirts there are representatives of Isuzu, the main event sponsor.
To prepare ourselves for the start. Alright, at the flag off of full marathon, allow me to invite our distinguished guests.
So guys, while we wait for the marathon to flag off, I want to divert your attention to the roads. Check out how amazingly smooth these roads are, that it is reflective of the surface. I can touch this surface and feels, for where roads are concerned, smooth to the touch. In fact, my shoes, right, I can slide my shoes about this, so I would imagine these roads would be quite interesting to drive in the wet. And the marathon just flagged off. Just curious to see how long it takes for the whole group of runners to cross the starting line.
Well, of course, ladies and gentlemen, all the best for full marathon. Enjoy the race, enjoy the marathon, and enjoy Tuesday.
they go.
Hey, with all the energy in the air, I really feel like running.
Yeah.
So
But
energetic.
I think 42 km a bit beyond us lah.
I think I go 5 km also gonna die already. Okay, Akon, I see you. Bye.
See you. Bye bye. Sorry. And no, I think that should be nearing the last of it. That's right, 2 minutes, nearly 2 minutes for the last 42k runner to flag off. And that is the ambulance there following the runners to mop up, okay, in case anybody along the way they develop cramps, unable to continue, and the ambulance here is there to pick them up.
Thank you so much for joining us for the flag off of Full Marathon of Kuching Marathon 2019. Thank you.
Alright, so that was it. The flag off of the 42-kilometer runs covered. Bang! Come, let's go eat kolomi for supper.
Okay, on.
On, sir.
On.
Let's go.
Run ah.
冇傻啦，冇傻啦。Okay, guys. So quite sadly, we've got no kolomi, close already. So, hey, but still it's not bad. We got rice. Hey, HP, eat.
Oh,
Makan. Eat ah. Eat.
Yeah.
You're having porridge.
Yeah, man.
Okay lah. Let's see how much this bill add up to. Now HP, help me hold camera. Let's review the rice. This is what up?
Sarawakian, right?
Yeah, Sarawakian Mai Quat Wong rice.
Pork Rib King.
Oh, pork rib king, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
How is it?
Good.
Oh,
Sedap. But it's just plain rice with the pork rib. No like
Veggie.
onion. Yeah, I would appreciate if they got onion, chili, cucumber and all that too.
It looks a bit off proportion also, like too much rice.
Yeah.
Mine is just plain rice, rice in water.
Oh yeah. Guys, you see right? You see the way Bing adds siyao into her rice? It's damn scary.
Xiao really got no taste one.
Are you sure?
You want to try?
HP, come.
Seriously, you try then you tell
Okay.
me. Say I immune lah this shit. I do like my salt,
I
but
tell you.
try it. Really nothing. There's no taste one.
Right. It's quite plain. It's quite plain.
It's nothing like don't add this. It's like coloring only. Seriously.